Let's take a closer look at a budget-friendly, late 70s muscle icon, an affordable 1979 Camaro that still runs strong, listed for $7,500 in Bethlehem, Georgia. It shows 1,234 miles on the odometer, comes with an automatic transmission, and wears a striking blue exterior that still carries that late 70s muscle attitude. Under the hood, the car is powered by a small block 350, and according to the seller, it runs and drives without issues. The interior isn't fully detailed, but the car appears solid and road-ready for someone who wants a driver-grade classic Camaro without the sky-high price. The seller is listing this on behalf of his dad, and he mentions the car is a good, dependable driver. For anyone seriously interested, he prefers being contacted by text and will share his number. No trades, cash only. Overall, this Camaro represents a rare chance to grab a functioning V8 classic from the late muscle era at a reasonable price point. Perfect for weekend cruising, light restoration, or building into a mild street machine. Classic deals like this don't stay hidden for long. Stick around, more rare finds are on the way.